How to fix mic and voice chat not working in your COD Warzone. So the first thing you can check is see if the problem is inside the game or your headphones or your actual device settings. So you gotta note if your microphone works in Discord or Windows or another game, but specifically not in Warzone. The issue is most likely related to the Warzone input selection or the settings inside Warzone or the voice chat settings in there. So you're gonna have to focus on tweaking the settings inside Warzone. But if the microphone or your headphones doesn't work properly on other apps or games, then it's most likely your device that is having the problem, like your actual microphone. You're gonna take a look if there's something broken or something, or the general settings in your device. So make sure you go ahead into your settings first and check your sound and microphone to see if your actual devices are the ones being toggled on. But once you have that aside, you can go ahead into your Warzone, open up the menu, and make sure your game chat over here is toggled on. You should be able to see that is voice or lobby and whatnot. But you can also go ahead into your settings, go ahead into audio, and see if your audio device is set to your default system device, which is going to be the device that was set inside your settings originally. But if you want to make sure, you can just go ahead and choose your specific device for your audio device as well. Next, you can go ahead into your voice chat. So inside voice chat, make sure it is toggled on. Over here, you have proximity chat and everything else is set. You have your voice chat output device. So make sure your actual device is toggled or used on that. And your microphone. You can test your microphone here if it works. And if your microphone is push to talk, then you're going to have to push a specific button in order for the microphone to hear you. You also have more down here, which is your microphone level, your microphone mode, which we pretty much already mentioned, and finally your open mic sensitivity. You can tweak this over here since sometimes it is too high or too low, and you can test your microphone to see which sensitivity for your mic is the best. You can also completely close your Warzone and restart your PC or console, then test your voice chat again. On PC or Bell.net, users can run scan and repair, while Steam users can verify integrity of game files if corrupted game files may be causing the issue. But those are a few things you can keep in mind if your microphone or voice chat isn't working in COD Warzone. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.